Alright, that's my 242 Limited S, the 2016 model. Been working on the music this weekend, finishing it up. Give you guys a little look. Don't mind the mess, this thing is filthy. I got wet sound 6.5 all around with the LEDs behind it. Alright, in the main cabinet, cleaned up a lot of the wiring. Still got your harness right there, or the little brain. Have to have that connected. Added a secondary battery to the house battery setup. Up here, up top, Yamaha runs its own factory wiring. So I just took my wires, zip tied it to the top of there, so everything's out of the way, nice and neat. In the engine bay, you see, ran my power, my speaker wires, an auxiliary cable. Look, still need to tuck all that away. I'll use this right here. It's really good. You picked it up in AutoZone. Tuck all this in there. Zip tie it right here. It'll look like factory. That's how I had it up in my old setup. Then I come over here. Same deal. Up top, Yamaha already has like wiring up there. So you just zip tie your bundle along with it. Keep it all out the way, looking nice. Then going to the front, this cabinet, I have my amp set up, crossover, still a little bit of a mess, still working on everything. But if you want to see the finished product or hear how it sounds, leave me a comment in the description below, and I'll see if I put up another video. Thanks a lot.